Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys my menu plan for the week. I just have a couple of like magazine recipe books I pulled out here. One of my favorite ones is Harvest Baking, and I've got like some comfort food magazines. Today I'm only going to be using this one because I found a couple of recipes I want to use in there, and my Pinterest. I've got boatloads of recipes that I use on my Pinterest board. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and feel free to go ahead and subscribe down below. I do a ton of menu planning videos and cooking videos, cleaning videos, anything that has to do with like being a mom and everyday life. So I'm just gonna get started with showing you guys what I have planned for next week. I'd like to plan ahead so I can do my grocery shopping. So yeah, I already picked what I'm gonna be making, so I'm just gonna jot that down for you guys. All right, so I have gone through my Pinterest board and my magazines here, and I've chosen what I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna get started right away here. So for Sunday, I'm going to make slow cooker beef ragu. With, now I have no idea how to say this because this is actually the first time I've ever seen this word, and I think it's a type of pasta, but it is pappardelle. I think that's how you say it. You spell it like this, P-A-P-P-A-R-D-E-L-L-E. So I think that's how you say it, but it looks really yummy, so I have to go to the grocery store and find this pasta. So I found this recipe actually from pinchofyum.com. I'll have all the links down below in the description box for you guys in case you want to go check out those recipes. So for Monday, I'm going to do chicken and sweet potato chowder. And now this recipe I got from my magazine here. And I'll show you guys. So it is right here, just in case you want to use it. I'll see if you can pause it and use the recipe if you need to. So this one looks really yummy, and I love soups for the fall time. They're definitely a comfort food. So Tuesday, we're gonna do beef pot pie. My kids really love those like one pot meals, so we do a lot of those, and they're really easy, and it's really great for leftovers. You can just reheat them, especially because we're busy with sports. Okay, so Wednesday we're gonna do vegetarian taco salad. So in this recipe they use black beans, so you can kind of use any kind of bean you want, but my kids really like black beans, so we're gonna use that. And Thursday, we're going to do chicken fajitas. Friday, we will do ham and broccoli Alfredo pizza. Now this one is also in the magazine here. So I think I have it, the page bent here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there is the recipe. You guys can see it. I hope you can see it. But it looks really yummy, and it's something different. We eat a lot of chicken and beef in this house, and so changing it up to ham is kind of fun, something a little different. The kids really like ham, so that's good too. And so Saturday we will do ground turkey and sweet potato skillet. Okay, so that is it for my meal plan for the upcoming week. Obviously you guys can use this for any week. If you happen to be watching this video like a year from now or whatever, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm going to be making my grocery list, figure out what I need, pick it up this weekend, and that's what we're eating next week. Oh, looks like I got a notification. Anyhow, if you guys enjoyed my video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys next time in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.